In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best shower squeegees available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the OXO stainless steel shower squeegee. It's impossible to confuse the OXO good grip squeegee for anything other than a shower squeegee. At the same time, there are a few other shower squeegees that operate as well as this one and stow as neatly wherever you want them in the shower enclosure. Do you want to connect it to a little piece of glass or a ceramic tile that's out of the way? With OXO's simple suction cup mounting technique, this isn't an issue. It's not only convenient, but it's also quite effective. It has a flexible blade that doesn't shrink from uneven surfaces or disregard them, an ergonomic handle that makes gaining a solid grip a breeze, and it's wide enough to clear your large enclosure windows, shower door, or tiles in only a few swipes. You'll have streak-free cleanliness, and your bathroom will be a healthier and better smelling environment to use. Moving up at number 2 is the Simplehuman BT1071 Fold-Away Squeegee. The Simplehuman Fold-Away Squeegee is a useful gadget constructed of rust-resistant metal that looks as good as it works. It folds up into a compact package that may be hung out of the way discreetly. The suction cup back on the provided hanger allows you to put it wherever in your shower. The blade is 10 inches long and has a gentle edge that effectively removes water in a single pass, leaving a streak-free dry surface behind. It's pricier than some of the other solutions we looked at, but it's also more appealing and effective, so we're prepared to pay a little more for it. You can be sure it will endure a long time because it is rust-proof and made of robust metal. Cheaper items would most likely break and need to be replaced multiple times over the Simplehuman squeegee's lifetime. At number 3 is the AmazerBath shower squeegee. Water stains and soap scum are no longer an issue. AmazerBath's inexpensive squeegee doesn't skimp on design, with a long, easy-to-grip handle, 6.4 inches, compared to 5.5 inches for similar items. The handle is constructed of rust-resistant stainless steel, while the blade is made of soft and flexible silicone, resulting in a streak-free, squeak-free cleanup. This squeegee may be used on a variety of surfaces, including tile and shower doors, as well as mirrors, windows, automobile windshields, counters, and more. For a quick and easy installation, adhesive hooks are included. Simply peel the adhesive backing off the hook and press it firmly against a clean, dry, flat wall surface. At number 4 is the Command Satin Nickel Shower Squeegee. The Command Satin Nickel Shower Squeegee may be just what the doctor ordered if you enjoy the notion of a shower squeegee but don't want it to stick out like a sore thumb in your shower or bath enclosure. The Command is simple to set up and hangs from a stainless steel hook upside down. This helps to break up the squeegee profile and blend it into the environment. It also has a satin nickel finish and a crystal transparent lucite handle, all of which contribute to its ability to blend in. It's not just the lack of shower squeegees, though. With only a few wide swipes, it can also remove all kinds of water stains, soap residue, dirt, steam, and more from your enclosure. There's no need to use glass cleaner. There's no need to leave the shower door open to let the moisture from the internal glass surfaces to dissipate. The Command takes care of everything and then fades into the background. The 5th product on our list is the Hiware All-Purpose Shower Squeegee. The Hiware All-Purpose Shower Squeegee is a decent tool with a major problem that needs a slight fix to bring it into our top 3. Having said that, there are still a lot of positive aspects to this product. The extra wide blade, for example, reduces cleaning time by requiring fewer passes to cover the same area. However, because this squeegee isn't as good as our top pick at removing water, streaks and water trails are likely to remain, forcing a second pass to completely remove. This squeegee comes with 2 waterproof adhesive hooks for hanging it in your shower for simple storage. The handle of the Hiware squeegee is its fatal fault. It's made of the same metal as the rest of the squeegee and lacks any type of texture or grip. When the handle and your hands get wet, they turn into a slick mass that's impossible to grip. When you try to squeegee the wall with your hand, it slips out of your grasp, which may be rather frustrating. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.